No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005.
Okay, hold up, wait a minute. All good, just a week ago. At my house, we party every weekend.
Hey guys, welcome back to another wig install, and today we are going to be installing on BeautyForeverHair. So thank you to BeautyForever for sponsoring this video. Let's go in and see what we're working with. Already did my makeup, slay, as usual. The packaging, I realized they changed their packaging. So of course we have goodies. We have a edge comb, edge band, and wig caps. And then we have the wig right here, which I'm impressed. It's 20 inches. I'm super excited. I cannot wait to see how this is going to look. I was going to frame my face because definitely for a 20-inch Kinky Curly, we gonna do a bust down. OMG. Okay, so it's a 7x5. Oh yes, look at those curls. Alright, so it's a 7x5 wig, and it's pre-everything. This is how the lace look. So it's pre-cut already, and it's pre-bleached. So we're gonna go in. What I love is that they upgraded this wig and they added the drawstring. Okay, yes they did. So it's a middle part. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna show you guys two hairstyles. So I'm gonna leave it as a middle part first. But I absolutely love this, and I love that all my wigs always comes with a band for extra security. You guys already know I love a wig with a comb, okay? But this is the upgraded part for their Kinky Curly, and that is the drawstring. Now this is how it is. This is how it came. Once you put it on your head, you are going to pull this string. You are going to pull this down to how tight you want the wig. Once that's done, there is another part attached with it, which is this part right here. You are going to pull this down, okay, and then tuck this underneath, so this will not be showing. Once you want to release it, you're going to pull it up, and then you are going to release the wig. It's very simple. Now it's expansive, which means this wig fits any head size. So you can, in the description there will be a link for you guys. So let's go in. Before, let's like that video, let's subscribe if you're new. Let's go in and prep this hair.
I believe everything we have will last. So you and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Never so blind and she's right when.
Okay, so the wig is on. They did come with the curly hair at the front. So I'm trying to figure out if we're gonna keep these. You can definitely keep them. I've installed my wigs with them already, and I love them. Alright, I'm gonna use hot comb.
Just paused the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days till I wait? Make plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. And I never wanna waste things, shorty. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my
So for now, I am going to leave the hair and let it self-dry, and we are going to come back once it's completely dry. You guys will see the difference, but this is how it is wet. I kind of miss it a little bit, and I love this. It is so cute. I will come back and show you guys once the wig is completely dry, and then we are going to style it another way. So let me go get dressed while we sit and wait for it to completely dry. I try to blow out some of the water from the hair, but I'm going to let it self-dry, so we will be back. Alright guys, this is how the hair looks once it is dried down. I went ahead, changed my outfit. I love how it looks. What do you think? Bear in mind it's 20 inches. You guys can pull it down if you may, but this is how I want it, and I like it. I really do like it. We're gonna definitely try and do another hairstyle, but I really wanted to show you guys just a simple middle part. Once you wet the hair, add some mousse. That's it. So it's giving real summer. And remember, it's a 7x5 closure, okay? So be sure to check the description. Coupon code will be there for you. We're gonna go in and try to create another hairstyle and see how that turn out. Or I might just do a sleek back, so you guys know that even though it's a curly hair, a kinky curly wig, you can still do a ponytail, a low ponytail, low bun, whatever it's called. So let's get into it, and then let's try to create another hairstyle.
That's nice. That's nice.
Right.
You lick your body. Yeah, that's your fault.
Seriously?
Are you deaf?
Yeah, looks
Looks
so ugly.
You're disgusting, mommy. You farted.
Here.
And then that's why I turned off the light.
And that's why they said, them take out big glasses, come like you wear.
Oh,
You don't look so cute, mommy. You
Charlene, a pretty car eye,
You
curly
look
your
so ugly.
fit
You're
there.
disgusting. Shut up.
Oh, she's laughing.
Oh, yes, she know what's her grandmother shit.
But then we died in Jamaica. She if I ask, what will we do over here?
Then you know, but you know, you have to go around with it.
No, me and that one like went, Jamaica.
No,
Do you use the thing in my feet?
you just call her ask for an Uber.
When you got Jamaica?
Yeah, when we there Jamaica. And when you come back, you need about 2 of the picking them. It's so good in here. Then it's not interested either.
That's just sad, you know? At least if they said no, you could have
You need have to know say 2 over there. You need have to do the picking them. So I'm saying make me go over there. Can't go over there, go see it.
I don't remember big fish in Ireland.
If I try, spend some time,
Right?
would you feel better?
Alright guys, this was very simple, very cute, curly ear fit me. I really like it, and the texture is so good. I think they upgraded it. I didn't show you guys that the drawstring is at the back, so we're gonna go around there and pull it. The wig fits, it's snug, so I didn't have to use the drawstring, but let's do it. The other piece, you pull it down. That's gonna ensure it doesn't move. You're gonna tuck the string underneath. Now it feels well secure. Alright, so this is the other style. I really like the kinky curly. It's real simple, real easy. You can do it because it's a 7x5. So with that being said, make sure you guys check the description. There will be a discount link and a code for you guys. Everything, the details, everything. So once you see me in this here, just check the link. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Bye.
Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I'd be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserve good things. This for the diamond, head for the ring. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the